From scissors to self-massage, I'm talking about two of my favorite DIY techniques to save you both time and money. Hi, I'm Katie Podoretsky, a licensed massage therapist, and I love treating head, neck, and jaw pain so much that I've even made 2 online video courses teaching you how to get self-relief from home. When you skip the salon for a DIY haircut, it can save you some serious cash and time. And handling your own muscular pain from home can reduce the number of visits that you'll need to go see for a professional, or even for a $1,000 Botox visit that might not make a difference. It's all about taking matters into your own hands, whether it's scissors or self-care, so you can keep both your wallet and your schedule in check. I used to see my stylist about 3 times a year, but once she moved, I realized I was a little too lazy to figure out where she went and what her new rates were. So I just doubled down, and I haven't been to a professional stylist in about a year now. But if I do decide to get a different style or grow it out of the shaggy pixie, I'm gonna need a stylist help, and I'm gonna find her and pay her whatever she wants. With your facial pain, if a new pain comes up or you can't manage it anymore, then you're gonna wanna go see your manual therapist for a tune-up and maybe even learn some new techniques. And it'll remind you how the work can feel. Keeping up with regular maintenance is key, both with your hair and your muscles, so they don't become a bigger issue. You'll learn some things naturally as you work. For instance, in the 6th grade, I learned that you should not wet your bangs and cut them because you'll end up with bad macro bangs. Unfortunately, I did this the night before we were recording video introductions to our pen pals, and I was very self-conscious the next day. Now, with caring for your facial pain, you'll learn to tailor the techniques to your specific needs and preferences. One of the great things about addressing your wild hairs and muscular pain at home is the changes that you're making are completely reversible, meaning that your hair is going to grow back if you do a wacky cut. And for your jaw pain, we are not doing surgery and you're not shaving down teeth. So you're simply using techniques that can be adjusted or stopped if needed, ensuring that you stay in control of the entire process. Now, you're going to need some tools for either thing. For haircuts, at least, you're going to need scissors and a mirror. So, and please, oh goodness, don't use your kitchen scissors or your kids' craft scissors. For relieving pain, you're going to need a teacher. And that's where I come in. I'm a lot better teaching about jaw pain than I am about home haircuts. I've got 2 online video courses teaching you how to treat that head, neck, and jaw pain from home using these 4 pillars. You may go ahead to Help Head Pain and sign up for a free video lesson that will teach you about one muscle that gives jaw pain and headaches, and then how to massage it at home, so you can start with a DIY and get started there. Be sure to follow me also on YouTube or Instagram.